Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm getting back out here. Ooh, something there. Let's see what we got going on. But yeah, I'm back out here on Shingle Creek. It just rained, so the water level's pretty high in the creek area, canals too, and all that. So it's been a while since the water's been this high. It's been getting really low. So when I get out here and see how the fishing is, I just got hit there too, and definitely dealing with some more muddier conditions because the rain stirred up all the sediment, and we definitely got some current going on out there on the main creek. So let's see what kind of bite we could get. So guys, stay tuned. What we got here? Oh yeah, that's a nice bass. Solid bass. That is what I'm talking about. Open that mouth. Look at this little stud. Choked it too. Alright, little buddy. Thank you. Oh yeah, that's a nice bass. Oh, thank you for jumping in the boat. There we go, guys, another bass. Oh, thank you, buddy. We got, ooh, that's a nice bass. That is a nice bass. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Nice. Alright guys, we got a 16.5-inch bass right here. Nice. Very nice. Oh man, wow, jeez, that is another nice solid bass right there, guy. Strong fella too. All right, thank you, buddy. Nice. Nice. That bass grabbed it as soon as it landed. Solid. About a pounder right here. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Get those leeches out of you. All right. That's two from those laydowns right there. That 2-pounder and this 1-pounder here. Solid bass. Oh my gosh. That's a big bass. That's a giant bass. There's another little bass trying to get it. Oh yes. Gotcha. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. I saw that thing come up and smoke this. Woo! Jeez. Yes. Look at that tank. Alright guys. Ooh, this might be my new creek PB. So far it's a 515. 514, 515, something like that. This one might be bigger. I don't know. Ooh, so close. We got a 511 here. 5-pound, 11-ounce bass. Wow. 5-pound, 11 ounces. Holy crap. Alright guys, let's let this tank go. Big bass too. There it is. Look at that giant. Nice. That is my second biggest bass. My biggest bass is like, I think 515. This is a 511. Great stuff, guys. Woo! Ooh. I gotta replace my. Well, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Come to Papa. There's that gator. He's coming. Wow. Oh my gosh. I just got a whole face full of water. Oh yeah, baby. That is definitely one of the biggest ones I've got out of this body of water. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, check this out. It's probably about a 3-pound bass right here. Never been caught before either. Nice. Alright guys, I definitely think this is my biggest bass out of this body of water. See how much she weighs. Got it's a 215. Almost 3 pounds. Basically a 3-pound bass. Oh, there's a big ass turtle right there, I think. Big old soft shell. Alright guys, we got a 19-inch bass right here. Nice catch too. Thank you. Ooh, shot right up under there. Went back into that grass. I bet there's some giants in here too. Just all hiding into that thick stuff. Maybe one day I'll come out here with some punching gear. Alright guys, I am sorry I did not get this catch, but I just caught another freaking tank right here. Check this, guys. Check this guy out right here. Freaking nice bass. 5-pounder probably. Right where I'm sitting too. Threw the worm in this pocket where the lily pads are, and I felt this guy smoke it too. Let's see how much this bad boy weighs here. Ooh, 5 pounds on the dot, guys. Second 5-pounder today too. Freaking tanks here. I'm gonna see that without the grips. I know those grips weigh almost 3 ounces. Yeah, 5 pounds on the dot, guys. That is amazing. Let's see how big this tank is. So the other 5-pounder was just under 23 inches, and this one is about 22 inches. No, actually 21 inches, yeah. So the other bass was almost 2 inches longer. All right, check out that mouth. Jeez. All right, guy, thank you. This is awesome. Catching a lot of good fish today. Alright guys, I am going to call it. It is got about 20-25 minutes of daylight left. I'm in the last light out time frame here, but I had an amazing day. Started off great on the creek. It actually started off really slow, and I was just battling that current from the rain that we got, and it definitely raised the water level up everywhere. So definitely the creek is pushing strong, and fortunately I was able to find some good spots that were holding bass, and pulled out a couple nice chunks, and that big one, that 511. Then came over here and caught a bunch of bass here. Caught my first bluegill out of this pond, and caught my first 3-pound bass. Well, almost 3 pound. It's 215, but I might as well just call it a 3-pound bass. And finally caught one of the big bass in here, and it was a 5-pounder right over there in the last pile of lily pads over there. Cast right in the middle. It's like a little open spot. Let the worm drop all the way down. Moved it up once and I felt that thing hit it and take off with it. Awesome, awesome fight. And at the same time, that the little gator shot out of the bushes. I guess hooking up on that big 5-pound bass scared that gator. But overall, had an awesome day. Oh, and also caught a nice big red ear shell cracker. That's an awesome catch. Don't come across those too much, so always appreciate those. So guys, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Solid multi-species fishing kind of day, plus some big bass. And yeah, till next time guys, tight lines, keep fishing. I'll see you on the next one. Later.